Brandon, come here, baby. Guys, go in.
What the?
Freddie, don't do that again. Ollie. Fred, quit. Ollie. Come here, Mama. Come here. Come here, Mama. Hi, Ollie. Ollie, you pretty girl. Did you get wet, Mama? Come here. Wally. Wally. Come here, honey. Don't worry. The kids won't get you. Leave her alone, Fred. She's scared. Okay, guys, play. Oh, Grace. Hey, no. Too rough. Fred. Too rough. Don't do that again. The baby's right there and she's little. Brandon, get your big butt off of there, you little turd. Brandon Douglas. Okay, we're going to have to put the sprinkler up or what?